Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to track screen time and app activities on Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings right here. After you open up your Android phone settings, just come to search right here. Then go ahead and type in default. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to default apps. Under the default apps right here, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to screen time. So under the screen time, you have app activity details right here. Then you can scroll down right here and see what the person is actually doing on their phone. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail about app activities right here. You can see so all 109 apps right here. So click on that and then you see more information right here. This is how to track app activities and screen time on Android phone. For more tutorial on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.